I think I might be stranded. Good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it is. We're getting some gas. We're on Carl. We're gonna get him some wheelie juice here, meet up with Spencer and Ben on the Huskies, and we're gonna do some dirt bike things out here. It is 80 something degrees. It's beautiful. About 5:30 right now, so hopefully traffic is gonna get on the lighter end here in a second, and we'll be clear to do some shenanigans. It's gonna be fun. Oh, there's ethanol. Dang it, should have came here. We're still gonna send it. Got some energy, protein, and Red Bull. Can't go wrong, right? Red Bull, hit me up. Put more money into Red Bull than I am into gas in this thing. Jeez, homeboy was hauling. Nice car, bro. The thing is sick. All right, where do we go? We're at the mall. Just gotta figure out where in this giant place to meet everybody at. Where do we normally go? That way? Help, I'm so lost. Whoa, this looks different. This is where we used to meet last year. Now it's City Light Church. Damn it. Oh, jeez. Why is this so hard to turn? Uh-oh, guys. This is not good. Carl, start. What the hell, dude? Oh man, well, it won't barely kick. I've never heard of that before. What is going on with this bike? I think I might be stranded. Almost. Why is that so hard to kick? Is my bike braking? I'm actually kind of concerned now. That was terribly hard to get started. Usually if it's easy to kick, then you're losing compression. But if it's hard to kick, so I'm getting stuck. And does that mean that my electric start's like not working? Or does that mean that it just can't work because my it's too hard to turn it? I don't know. It's weird.
2 hours later.
Well guys, you won't believe it, but I just rode for like 2 hours with my camera off. Finally happened. I forgot to record. I mean, I guess nothing terribly interesting happened, but man, that was a fun ride. That would have been a good video. The guys just split off. I just went to Hy-Vee to get stuff to grill, and I'm gonna go ahead to Nate's. We're gonna grill some burgers and stuff like that. But dang it, man. Dang it. Man, that is so crappy. Oh well, we'll get a good vid for you guys. We're probably gonna pick this up again tomorrow. See if we can find some more people to ride with, have some fun. But dang it, always remember to check your camera and see if it's recording.
Tomorrow.
What's up? What's up, man? Oh, somebody knows me. That's cool. What's up, buddy? Thanks for watching. What's up, buddy? Right on, man. Right on. What's up, buddy? He loved it. That's awesome. This is great. I'm loving this. It's such nice weather. It's a beautiful day outside. Everybody's smiling. This is going to be a good ride today. I'm happy. I'm feeling this. Man, I love being able to wheelie like really well and slow and smooth. That way when people are like, do a wheelie, instead of being like that guy that's like, man, about crashing or hurting himself, I can actually do a wheelie. Wanna see a wheelie? Alright, I got you. Where you at? You're back there watching? Okay. Bye guys. I think they liked it. Found the pals. Hey pals. Hey guys. What's up, biker man? No wave. He shook his head. He literally shook his head. Getting a nice warm up in. Downhill. Whoa, guys, look. What's up, buddy? He goes, hey. We all just pop him up, dude. That's awesome. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What's up, man?
I want a wheelie with you, but it's all electronic.
Oh, that was just about really bad. Oh, we got one, yeah! What's up, bro? Oh, sweet. Oh, can't go this way. Well, yeah, we can. We're on dirt bikes. There you go. A little bit. 5-0. Oh, over there at Baker's. Oh, they're busy anyway. We could go up that hill to the U.S. military entrance processing system. Probably not a good idea. No, that's sweet, dude. What's up, man? That's cool. That's like a race buggy. Oh, yeah, he's happy. We're good. What's up, man? Yeah, right on, right on. That's pretty good. Hey, there's a cop right there. We're good. Nice, buddy. There you go, that was smooth. There you go, your front tire was like on the yellow. There's the 5-0. Yeah, we're good. Is that Jason? Jason on the Husky, dude. That thing looks nice. Hey, buddy! It takes his key. Oh no, he's got his button. It's hidden. Oh god, they got a TV camera. That's great. Oops. My bad. It's like Herbie on steroids, man.
Yeah.
But it's been a fun one. I'm gonna get on out of here. Car meet was cool, hung out for a second, but I gotta go to band practice. We have a show tomorrow. We're playing with the guy from Trapped. So I gotta go there now. But if you like the video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. And until next time, peace.
Y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like Pam, like Tommy just burst in the door. We started whooping her ass first than before. They first were divorced, sewing her over furniture. It's the return of the... Oh, wait, no, wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say...
He's going to the car meet. There's a lot of custom cars around here. Hey, it's a cop. What's up, man?